rasa manis alami, hanya 0 kalori per saji. Tropicana Slim Stevia.
Usai pertandingan, pelatih Timnas Indonesia, Kluivert, mengaku kecewa dengan kekalahan telak dari Jepang. Meski kecewa, Kluivert bilang kekalahan ini sebagai pelajaran untuk bisa tampil lebih baik di putaran keempat kualifikasi Piala Dunia 2026 zona Asia Oktober mendatang.
We're very disappointed, of course, but we have to be prepared for the next, the fourth round, and that's for me now the most important thing is to look back post match, learn from it, and look forward to the fourth round, who is our next opponent. Participant in the fourth round is very strong. You have Oman, you have Palestine, you have a lot of big countries who want to go to the World Cup like us. So it will be very interesting what teams, what the countries we have in the